Kia ora, I'm Brittany Coots, a science teacher at Hayata Community Campus. We were the first school to use DNAiTECH. DNAiTECH was great to use at Hayata because, like many schools, we have students that are difficult to engage. And some of these students had never even been in a science lab before, so this was their first time stepping foot into one. These students really benefited from the hands-on experience that DNAiTECH could provide them, and they got to play the role of a scientist for 2 weeks rather than just being lectured about it. We were also able to easily incorporate NCA credits, so the students could get NCA credits along with using DNAiTECH. When we started this, some of the students didn't even know what DNA was, but by the end of the course, they were able to explain this and so many other scientific concepts. We even had other teachers tell us how impressed they were at how engaged the students were with DNAiTECH when they had a difficult time engaging them in other classes. By the end of this 2-week course that we ran with DNAiTECH, we had students asking a whole range of questions, and they were curious not just about DNA and water quality, but even started asking questions about human genome editing. At our school, we use DNAiTECH to test Tiwai hora and tributaries for E. coli and cyanobacteria. And DNAiTECH allowed us to amplify E. coli and cyanobacteria DNA if it was present. This was really cool, and we were also able to incorporate NCA credits. We incorporated NCA credits for biology practical investigation, for different sustainability credits, and even some stats. And this was for level 1 to 3. The students at the end of the course all said that they really enjoyed it. And we heard this not just from the students, but also from other teachers and even parents. So, would I use DNAiTECH again, or would I recommend it to different schools? Definitely. And the main reason I'd say this is because a lot of DNA teaching that goes on doesn't have that practical element at a high school level. Usually when you're talking about DNA replication, it's just a PowerPoint or writing on the board, and the students just have to memorize that. But with this brings DNA amplification to a high school classroom rather than university, so the students can get that real experience and fully understand what DNA replication is all about. It's also great because you're able to use NCA credits along with the DNAiTECH to give your students some credit for this experience that they're having. You're able to adapt it to what lakes and rivers surround you, and it's easy to use. So it comes with all of the directions, it comes with pipettes, it comes with the solutions, and makes it easy to amplify that DNA and have a laid-back, fun experience. This is an amazing experience, not just for the students, but also for the teachers. A great chance to try something new, but made easy for you.